Hi guys, this is Adarsh Singh and you are watching Adarsh Tech. Today I'll be unpacking my small budget mic which I ordered from Amazon. It's not a high quality mic you all guys are expecting, but the audio quality it's record, it's pretty impressive at such price. So there are a lot of tons of mics which are available online and in markets, and the one I have is a 3.5 mm generic mic which can be easily attached to mobile phones or DSLRs, and you can record the videos and stuff like that using this external mics. Here's the invoice of the mic which I'm holding it right now. Let's focus it. Oops, it's inverted. Let's make it right. Okay, this is the invoice of the product from Amazon India. Basically we don't need this. The main thing is this mic which comes in a sealed packet. Let's throw out that. Okay, so now let's focus on the mic right now. There we go. And the one most important thing about this microphone is that it's a mono microphone, which means that it'll only capture either left or the right channel. You can even directly attach this mic to cell phones and record video on go. Eventually this mic supports all the inbuilt camera apps. If it does not, you can check out the app called Open Camera on the Play Store. It comes with a crocodile clip. You can use it to attach to your clothing or shirts or t-shirts, or you can use it for something like interviews and other stuffs. And it comes with a very decent long wire with a good quality build which you can use it. It's very quite long enough that you can attach to your cell phones and keep your cell phones in your pocket. So if this video was helpful for you guys, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. I'll see you guys in another video.